Hello everyone, today we are making mango lemon ginger juice. My brother sent me some mangoes from Florida, so I'm taking it make some juice. I cut it off and I put it in the freezer. It was about 6 mango, so I'm making mango lemon juice. So here are the ingredients we need. Just need our mango, ginger and lemon. So I'm gonna add the mango to the blender, the frozen mango to the blender. And the ginger, I add it to the blender, and I'm gonna add the lemon, half a lemon. And if you like it very sweet, you could add honey, you could add monk's fruit, you could add any sweetener to it, but I'm not gonna add any sugar to it. And this is around 4 cups of water. I'm just straining it. That's just the pieces from the ginger. Add 1 lemon. Let me have a taste. Refreshing to the last drop. It is so good. This is Florida mango, South Florida mango. It's delicious. Thank you, my brother Eddie. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification for all my upcoming videos. Give me a thumbs up. If you like the video, just give me a thumbs up. All the best. Wish you all the best. Bye from Eat Good TV. Wish you all the best. Love you.